just came on the market 4 days ago. Inside now, with, like I said, mature trees on the back side of that fence. You have your HVAC systems here. So this 100 square feet, if the fireplace faces bedrooms, or 3 rooms. 3 bedrooms. Okay, my husband's saying 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Okay, so our engineer said 3 beds, 1 bath is what you can get out of this space. So an auction. So follow this page, Corinne, the realtor, on TikTok, Instagram. Follow our remodeling construction business page of Strong Pillar Construction on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more. So stay tuned. If you like more deals like this, send me a message. I'll be happy to assist you. Have a blessed day.
Let's go. If you've been following our video, you'll know that every project we do, we like to introduce our custom built fireplace. So this is a 70-inch recessed electric fire. You can change the color and this can warm up the area within a minute or 2. So then we have our recessed light and crown mode above, and right here is where the TV is going to be. So we introduced these accent paneling on this project because we wanted to break your traditional walls. So these, so this is the kitchen. This is my favorite spot. You know, I took time designing this kitchen. As you can see from the video, we have this elegant pendant light that just beautified the kitchen. We have our island. This island is about 10 foot, which can fit 4 people comfortably. Then you follow me, I introduce the wall paneling. And on my right, we have these 3 floating shelves. You know, again, you know, I like the wood paneling. Then we have our quartz countertop, gas stove, microwave that is vented outside. As you can see from one of the drawer, we have all our spoon organizers. Then we have the pull-out shelves. Everything is soft close. This is our sink, double sink, and we have here as well our dishwasher, which is unique. Then we have our French door refrigerator, and again we have plenty room, countertop space. We decided not to put a sink on this area because we wanted the countertop space, so that was why we moved the sink into the island. So yeah, this is what a custom kitchen looks like. This is the bathroom. As you can see from the video, we have this elegant vanity with these custom doors. Then we have a nice mirror and vanity light as well. Then we brought the wood paneling as well into the bathroom. This just gives it that unique vibe. Then we have the shower with a tub, and we have the soap holder right there. So this is what the bathroom looks like.